welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on a 63 reg wheelchair accessible Citroen Berlingo with an EGC automatic gearbox. This is an automotive group conversion, covered just 26,000 miles from new, and is the 5-seat or 3+ wheelchair conversion. So becoming quite popular, the Citroen Berlingos along with the Peugeot partners. They are actually the same vehicle. You've got all you need in there, electric windows, hazard warning lights, you've got your aircon and your heater adjustments there. This is the gear change, so it's not like a regular what we call an up and down gearbox. It's done with the dial on the dashboard. Same principle, just obviously a different way of working it. So come direct to us from Motability. It's got a full service history. You got the armrest here as well, along with the centre box. This seems to be quite popular. Not always available on the Peugeot due to the electric winch in the vehicle and the way other converters convert the vehicle. So we've got this Isofix on the back, on the seats, rear seats, as well as the front. So there's your 3 seats at the back, so when the wheelchair's not in use you can use 5 passengers can travel in the vehicle. So to accommodate the wheelchair space, tip and fold that seat out the way, and there's your space. 1 rear seat's in there, and the ramp. So walking around to the back of the vehicle, it's a 300 kilo ramp, which is on most of the vehicles. The newer ones tend to be 400 and an aluminium on the automotive group, but it's a 33-inch wide, so will also accommodate some of the widest scooters and wheelchairs that are out there these days. So a bifolding ramp, as you can see there, easily deployed. I've done that with 1 hand, it's even easier with 2. You've got 4-point securing for the wheelchair. You've got the 2 belts that are electric at the front. That's the switch with a buzzer and an LED to let you know that that's on, because if you leave it on it will wear down the battery on the car after a while. So that releases the belt, allows you to pull it out and fix it around the wheelchair. As I say, there's 2 of those. The 2 at the back are manual, so they do come out with a keyhole slot, so you haven't got to ride the chair or the scooter over there. When you come and visit us at the showroom, which is at Cooling Road service station, Cooling Road in Wainscott in Kent, ME24RL, we'll give you a full demonstration of how to put the chair or scooter in a vehicle. We can also do a home demonstration, show you exactly the same, and also we'll give you another demonstration when you collect or if we deliver the vehicle. So don't worry, we've also got how-to videos, and if we haven't got the video for you, we'll always make one. So don't panic on trying to take in too much all at once. The way we operate here at Premier Mobility Cars is to make life as easy as possible for you. With part exchange, it doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We will take any vehicle in. We have ways and means of getting the best price for you, so you don't need to worry about that. Always give you the option. We do things a little bit different. We give you a choice of how you buy the car. If you want more information on that, give us a call on 01634 716 911. You can also view our vehicles at www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, and as mentioned previously, you can pop along and see us at Cooling Road service station in Wainscott in Kent, postcodes ME24RL. Let us know what your requirements are, and we'll see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you